Welcome to SK Trading Live. Stream will be starting shortly.
Here tonight. Can everybody hear me? Hello, everybody. Gold is getting absolutely kaboosh, gold. Look at this nice push up here on the gold. This nice push up here on the gold. Right here. 80 on the gold. The MACDs couldn't confirm on the 15-minute time frames. Really nice short here on the new high. Jeff, everybody see that right there? Hello, everybody. Hello, David, Jennifer, Jay Shine. How are you? Today, the big pattern of the day was the 30-minute time frame on the spiders. The 30-minute time frame on the spiders, really, the 30 and the 60 actually. If you look here, when the S&Ps were trading 30 3/4, beautiful bull flag here. Sam Pri, how are you? No, I did not stop. They're not streaming tonight, so I said, let me do it. Right? Sam Rue, anybody new here tonight? Artan! What's up, Artan? Artan's in the house. There goes the gold, just ran 5. Jesus. Artan again, thank you, my brother. Mario, how are you? Mario. Jeffrey, anybody new here? Paul S., good evening. Sam Rue. Moose, how are you? MUS. Aja. Okay, so this gold. Hey, Sabath, how are you? Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Harvey Specter, hello, Harvey. Okay. What happened? You sneezing? Got Hendrix here with me. Gold pushed down and right back up here. 33. This gold's a short. We push up here. Big patterns today was the 30-minute time frames. 30-minute here. Johnny C., how are you? Look at this gold rally. This rallied 6. S&Ps just rallied 3. Let's just see. This gold gets a push up here on the gold. Here was the high. This gold gets this gold's gonna negative MACDs here. See if this gold gets to 41, 42 range. Alba Trader, how are you? Yes, James J. Absolutely. HR, how are Artan? Good evening, everybody. Good evening. What's up, Artan? Artan hit the gym early today. Damn. My foot's about the size of a kaboosh. What's kabooshed? There's no kabooshin'. Thanks for doing this evening. Yep. No, I just they weren't doing it, so I said I'll do it. I'll help out here. Okay. It was 47 degrees here today. 47. Can you believe it? Okay. If you want to see a great pattern, look at Bitcoin here today. One of many. Bitcoin reversing to sell here on the 60-minute time frame, correlating with the 30 and the 15. Look at the ADX is rising, big selling pressure on the 30 and the 16, on the 30 and the 60. Beautiful short off the 30. Look at this, 103, 300, kabooshed, down 600. And then you want to see a great pattern, just called a double red short. where the 5-minute time frame, good morning, the 5-minute time frame correlates with the, right here, the 5 reverses to sell, and it correlates with the 15, 30, and 60. You short, look at this, you short the first bounce, 103, 190, kabooshed. There you go, almost 500 points on Bitcoin. Great crowd in there. All right, so Aaron, good man, fixed the latency problem on YouTube. Okay, anybody notice the latency problem fixed here? Of course, when we come on, gold pushes down into the positive in the MACD here. Gold rips. If you want to take a short scalp on gold, I go like 41 and a half, 41 and a half, up to 46 and a half, 47 and a half range. Here we go. I got to put some short. Oh. Of course, what it hit just now, 41.60. S&Ps, see what they're going to do here. Boom. There you go. A couple $100 there on the gold. Sold up to 43. Beautiful. S&Ps. What just happened? Oh my God, I gotta short these S&Ps. Let's short some gold up here. All right. S&Ps, if they get up to the 82, 87 handle, I short it. NASDAQ, 10 up to 35. Gold, I look to cover any gold shorts below 41 and a half. You got the S&Ps pushing up here, the non-confirmations here on the 15. Look at that, gold, S&Ps just dropped too. Really quiet here. Did you caught the short on what? Gold? Good job. Valmir, how are you, Valmir? How are you, Valmir? This is where the party's at? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Gold, look to cover any shorts below 41 and a half. S&Ps just dropped 2.5. NASDAQ just dropped 10. Beautiful short up into the negative MACDs. This is a nice long here, 76 long. Okay. Marcel, good job. You got to be careful with the short on the gold. You don't want these 15-minute time frames turning up. But this negative MACD on the 5 should be should halt the push up. You okay? What's the matter? All right, we got the S&Ps pushing up to new highs. NASDAQ pushed up to new highs. Gold just rallied from 30, 33 on up. All right, let's see what. Good. Just short it. Cover some gold below 42.20 if you're short. I'm just trading it in and out here. Are the 15s in gold not about to turn up? I'm thinking the same thing. You got to be careful. The only thing is on the gold, you got this negative MACD. I'm looking for one more push down on the gold. Do you see that right there? You see when the 5s go negative against the 15, you buy this, but this happened right when we were coming on. Look to cover your gold below 41 and a half if you're short. Okay, wow, what a drop on the gold. Just dropped 3. So that's why you got the negative MACDs here. You see that right there? All right, and again, of course, you got the 30-minute. I would cancel the balance of the shorts if in there. The 30-minute time frame looks like it's going to turn up. You got a nice bull flag. I'm hoping this gold can drop to buy it. Okay, the 30s are bullish. You can see the 30 reverse to buy with the MACD positive from below the pivot. Here's the 60-minute gold that would look to cover shorts. The 60 just reversed to buy. Now again, you're making new highs here, and the MACDs can't confirm on the 60-minute. Okay, nice little short there on the gold. Anybody get that? Donnie Crypto? Those orders. Anybody short the gold up there? I'd be flat right now. I looked to cover shorts below 41.5. Apple ATM, kaboom. Oh, yeah. Fill the coolers. All right, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. All right, we got 162 people. Anybody new here? If anybody new, Aaron's going to post a free link where you can get the free 5-day free trial to our live stream here. Johnny C, good job. 47 degrees in Florida. Can you believe it? Oh, my God. Now, to be honest with you, I don't know if I'm going to stay the whole 2 hours. My ankle looks like the size of, what is that? Oh, S&Ps. Go to S&Ps. Old S&Ps. He's covered, look to cover below 81. If 80, 80 and a half, 81 and a half. All right, this gold is going to get one more caboose. Gold just dropped 4 just now. All right. 57 degrees out there now. Oh, my God. Can you believe Jupiter, Florida? Look at gold drop 4. I'm probably going to stay till about 9. I'm not sure how I'm feeling, to be honest with you, with my ankle. My ankle looks like something out of a horror movie. It's this big. I don't know what I did. Look at this gold drop into the negative MACD. It's winter in Florida. It's Christmas in November on that gold short. How's that? It's Christmas in November. All right. And again, I want to thank My Funded Futures, great firm. But honestly, they decided to take the night off. And I said, you know what? I didn't make it last night because I was supposed to land at 6:30 last night. And S&Ps look to cover any shorts below 80 and a half. NASDAQ, if you're short, look to cover between 98 and 06. So basically what happened was I was supposed to land at 6:30, get here by 7, and we got in at 8:20. By the time David picked me up, I didn't get home till 9 o'clock, and then he said, forget it. All right? I can't even tell you what my ankle looks like. I should go to the emergency room. Something's wrong. I don't know. 62, I'm falling apart. Anyway, welcome everybody. Just wanted to say, Aaron, thank you very much. He fixed the YouTube to about 6 or 7 seconds. Go back. Come on. Hendrix growled at me tonight. I'm so pissed. We went out for a steak dinner, Josh and I came home with a little steak. I put it in a bowl with some sweet potato, very small sweet potato, mashed sweet potatoes. And now you want to be my friend. No. And then I just said, go ahead, eat. I go, oh, really? Oh, really? Really? You growl at your father? Huh? You growled at your father? Come over here. You growled at me? Yeah, now you lick me. Okay. Unbelievable, this crazy dog. I know, I got the Blue Label at home. I got like 9 Blue Label bottles, believe it or not. Stretch. Made it. Good job, made it. All right, we got 181 people tonight. All right, when we started here, this was a really great long on gold. All 3 time frames are in buy mode. When the 5-minute time frame reverses to sell, you get the push down here. You try to buy this gold right below 33.5, 34, and it's shot right up. Look at that, almost up $9 on the gold. No, I'm not putting my dog down. No way. I'm not doing that. He growled because he thought I was going to take his steak. Right? No, I'm not. He wants the steak too. I love this dog. Are you kidding me? He sleeps on my head every night. No way. I ain't doing it. You missed the gold trade, you missed the short, or you missed the long. The longs happened the minute I came on. Boom. Kaboosh. All right, kaboom. All right. Very nice to meet a lot of new people here. Hey, Julian. Julian called me, very excited. He's really getting the scaling in and scaling out. Without that, I'm going to tell you, the scaling in and scaling out really makes a huge difference. The scaling in. I work with one of the biggest traders in the world on the scaling in and scaling out methodology. And I'm telling you, it is a big, 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 big difference here. Really big difference, okay? Really happy to be here tonight. Most of you I know here already. Lady Ventura. You like that blue sky? What was it, this morning? All right, Lady Ventura. If you're new, okay, and if you're new and you're not part of SK Trading and you want a 5-day free trial, Aaron will post the link there, okay? And after that, if you sign up for the Pro, it's $99. Cranston, how are you? No, my fund the futures tonight. Nope, they took the night off. But I'll be back tomorrow, Denny. I'll be back with John, and I'll be doing every Sunday night on my own here. I must be insane, but why not? What else am I going to do? Okay. I'm not looking to put my leg in the cast. I was in Fairfield. I was up off 95 off of exit 21 or 23. Oh, MJ. Blue Sky. The Big Owl. Love it. Big Owl. What a name. Gold just dropped 5 S&Ps. If you're short again at 82, just trade it down a buck. Just try to make your... there's the link. Aaron just posted the link. Nice to meet you, MJ. How are you? How did I get hurt? No idea. I woke up like this, believe it or not. Melina, how are you? Tronex. Not me. I froze my tuchus off. Forget it. Thank you, Michael Lenz. Michael Lenz, good man. All right. So it was pretty good trades here. See if we get one more push up here. Really beautiful, beautiful day today. Those 30-minute time frames really were phenomenal on the underlying ETF. And then if you look at the 30-minute time frame, this is why you need to look at the underlying ETF, the gold, right here on the 30-minute, reversing to buy, right here on, that's the gold futures. Look at the GLDs, sorry. Okay, if you look here, you can see right here, this beautiful bull flag on the gold, right? Oversold, first pullback, right? You can see the gold, the GLDs reverse to buy here again. Now, gold's going to have a lot of problems tomorrow. If you look at the gold right here, then MACDs are not going to confirm right here the 15s and the 30-minute time frame. So you can see if I draw a horizontal line here, you want to learn how to trade gold? Well, it's not that hard. Just got to focus on the patterns using my software. Okay? MJ, you understand? If you see here tomorrow, if gold does gap up here, okay, if gold does gap up here, you got this negative MACD on the 30, negative MACD here on the 15. So you're going to have a lot of sell divergences here, okay? A lot of sell divergences on that. All right, gold. See, now gold, what I wanted to show you on the gold, because the GLDs are closed, if you see this pattern here, you can see the negative MACDs like this, okay? And that's why I was shorting the gold into this bear flag right here. Do you see that right there, MJ? Beautiful. It's, gold just got absolutely kabooshed, down 6, right? Jeff, you see that, everybody? Okay. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow is going to be very active. Look at the gold. Oh my God. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed. Arton, get in there. Anybody still short? I know Jeff's short the gold. Jeffrey Shear, Jeff W. Jennifer, get in there, Jennifer. Melvin, kabooshed. No, you got to put an ED on the end of it, Melvin. Kabooshed. Past tense, not kaboosh. Right? Anyway, great to have everybody here tonight. S&Ps, if you sold 82, look to cover below 80 and a half here. Good job, MJ. I would lower your stops, MJ. Okay? Lower your stops. I mean, $6 in gold is pretty good for a night session, if you ask me. Right? Tronex, you're ruining my word. Come on. I love you to death, but come on. It's Kaboooshed. Cool. I know you're trying to be funny, but I'm in the Urban Dictionary with that word. My friend put me in the Urban Dictionary. You know that? You put me in the and it got approved. And I have the definition for it. Go to the Urban Dictionary, look up the word kabooshed, and you'll see author Stephen Kalayjian. I swear to God. S&P short. Marcel, I called the short 82 to 87. Anybody still short S&P gold? Anybody still short gold? I got to tell you, my fund of futures, I know Luke, I know these guys. These guys are great guys, great guys. Greg from Legends is a great guy. Mike Tolbert from Blue Sky. I only deal with people I personally know. And every one of these firms has a different niche for each and every one of you. So I just want you to be clear. They're great, great, great people. Lady Ventura, great job. Wow, what a drop. $7 on gold. Whose birthday is it? Flat gold. Jennifer, get in there, Jennifer. I got to talk to Jennifer today after the close. She lives in the state of Washington, way out west. Too cold for me. My tuchus can't handle that. Forget it. No way. I can't handle that. My next trip is to go to California to hang out with Art. Oh, no. My next trip is with Arton to Detroit to watch the Michigan Ohio State game that Saturday after Thanksgiving. Then I want to go to California. Check out California. I haven't been there in years. Hang out in Calabasa. Am I saying it right? Calabasa, I think. Took the gold long at 46 or 36. Okay. I would wait for the 5-minute time frames. You see the 5 minutes here? I would wait for them to push down a little bit more. Be careful here on the gold. Again, you see how the sell divergences? All the strategies I have are all based upon divergences. Okay? Of course, I call everybody back. No, I don't like Johnny Walker with Coke. No way. No way. And too much sugar. Too much sugar. I can visit my friend. He ain't my friend, this Newsom. No way. No, they just traded Warrior Hub. They just took the night off, good buddy. That's it. They just took the night off. Who do I want in that game? Well, I think Ohio State's going to be the better of the team. But I'm going into the big house. It ain't. Look at this S&P's drop. NASDAQ, look to cover below 08 if you're still short. I probably want Ohio State only because they're that good. I mean, but I want to hear the fight song. Da 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 da. That is one. That and Notre Dame got the two best fight songs in my opinion. Da 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 da. My dad, fullback, Ohio State, held the record for yards rushed against Michigan for Wow. Damn. Did he play pro? Did he play? Did he play pro? Anybody short the S&Ps or Nasdaq? Just got a little scalp drop here. Nasdaq dropped 10. S&Ps just dropped about 3. Hit the like button, guys. Hey, yeah, 220. Not bad for Veterans Day, right? I got to tell you, I'm so happy. So many people today did extremely well. Most people have 5, 10, 15. One person's got 40, 60 accounts. You know, look at these S&Ps drop. Again, making new highs, non-confirmation. Short NASDAQ. Okay, be careful. Lower your stops on both, Lady Ventura. Mark Patterson, tell me you're short something. All right. Okay. Again, really great to be here tonight with everybody. Only 200 viewers. I never even posted this. This is also a word of mouth. This is only word of mouth. David Francis, I will look him up. Well, you should be very proud of having a great father like that. All right. All right, nice little drop there. Now, if you want to see like a really great sell divergence, if those of you who are trading like crude oil, but let me just going to show you the pattern. If you can see here, you see here, let me turn this thing off. You see oil, same pattern, 61.14. You're making new highs. The MACDs can't confirm on the 15. Look at that. These are all clear sell divergences here. Clear sell divergences. If you look at the 30-minute time frame, okay, MACD positive, 60-minute, MACD positive, okay. Now, if the 15 reverses to sell, you go from a buy trend to a buy disconnect. I want to see the gold get a little bit more pushed down one more time. If this gold gets down to the 28.5, 35.5, I'd probably look to buy it. You go. But I want to see the fives roll over a little bit more here. I want to see the 5-minute rolls over. Who's long the gold? Anybody still long the gold? 30. I'd be kicking these out. On the gold, what's the low here? Gold. Actually, I'm gonna cancel that. All right. Well, it's too late now. I just gold. All right. 28.5 to 35.5 on the gold. S&P's right back up. Now tomorrow I expect them to turn up here on the. I expect the 30 minutes to roll over and then get one more push up. If we gap up tomorrow, you have net. Wow, look at this. What are you doing, Hendricks? Okay, if you bought the gold below 35.5, just look to scale out above 37 here. I think the 15 minutes looks flip bearish. Where S&Ps or gold? I think you may get one more push up here on the gold. Look at this. Oversold condition here. Look at this beautiful bull flag. First pullback on the 15. After the 15 correlated with the 30 and 60. Look at this beautiful bull flag. Kaboom at 5 o'clock. 31. Boom. 20 points on the gold. 19 points and change. Do you see that beautiful bull flag here? Oversold, positive MACD. Beautiful pattern. Beautiful. I got to get my ankle checked. I have to go to the emergency room or something. I don't know what the hell's going on here. Like the size of a balloon. It is balloon. Wild Eagle. Crazy cat. Remember F Troop? How was that? How oversold? I'd like to get the oversold on that, maybe into the 15, 20 range. JC trades. Make right at rock that looks like bear. Make left at bear that looks like rock. F Troop. Remember that? Crazy cat? It is balloon. All right. So I guess right now what we're looking for here, we're going to look for one more push up here on the gold. But I want to see the gold get somewhat oversold. I want to see these 5-minute time frames get into some single digits here. Get up to 15s here. And if you look at the 30-minute time frames, you can see here oh my God, this is the first pullback on the 30-minute after the 30 reversed to buy. Did it go away? Obviously, there goes the gold right back up. What the hell is gout? Don't tell me that. Well, I gotta look this up now. What the hell is gout? I don't drink. What I need. That's brutal. Well, I'll get it looked at. I'm looking for one more push down the gold. There it is, 33. If this gold here, if this gold gets down to the 27.34 range, I'll look to buy it. Okay, S&Ps can't really get going here. All right, I'll probably go Achilles tendonitis. No, I don't think so. Adam, how are you, Adam? How are you, Adam? Okay, gap to be filled. Arton 124. Arton thinks gold goes down another $10. Oof. I'm gonna go look at it. Go look at. All right. What a short here into the negative MACDs. I'm still hoping for the 30s, 15s. Arton thinks we're going 10 lower. All right. Ankle is kabooshed. Absolutely. S&Ps just dropped 4 off the high. NASDAQ just got absolutely kabooshed down 1920. I'm going to get it looked at, David. It don't matter to me. All right. Great day today. You know, for a slow day, I have to say, there were really great patterns today. The 30-minute time frames, and then if you want to see some really great patterns, you can see here, like Apple. I'm just showing you Apple here, reversing to buy on the 30 and the 60-minute time frames. Here's the 30, boom, MACD positive from below. Look at this beautiful bull flag here on Apple. 60-minute, kaboom, right? What is the strategy? You buy the first pullback on the 15. Here it is. Starting here, you started scaling in on the look at this beautiful bull flag here on Apple. If you want to take a scalp exit, 34 to 35 and a half, 36 on the long on the and then look, of course, never look back on Apple. 71.82, kaboom, almost $4. I think beautiful long there on Apple all day. And NVIDIA, you want to see a great short NVIDIA. NVIDIA reverses the sell on the 30-minute time frame. It correlates here with the 15. Exit longs on gold. I'd exit all longs on gold here. Okay. Boom. Kaboom. There it goes. There it goes. You see here the 15 to 30-minute time frame. Okay, is pushing up here. You see that? This is the first bounce on the 30 after the correlated with the 15. There goes the gold. Jeff, there you go. Who got the gold? Good job, whistleblower. Oh, the slow day. You know, somebody once said to me, why do you trade after Thanksgiving, the day after? I'm like, what are you, freaking bananas? I said, what are you, freaking bananas? I said, it's the best time to trade. I'm the only one in the game. I said, I had unlimited capital. Andre, you just made $250 on the gold. Great job. I said, are you bananas? I could move markets. Good job, Jennifer. Get in there. Yeah, but seriously, though, I said, I said to myself, like, what the heck? Why not come in? Why not, right? All right, that's a nice little trade there on the gold. S&Ps just ran 2 just now. Andre, great job, Andre. It don't matter to me. Louis Anderson, great job. Mark, you get the gold. Good job, Mark. I don't think I'm going to do the whole 2 hours today. I'm gonna get this ankle looked at, to be honest with you. I can't go another day. I'm telling you, I was like, you ever know in the old days when they used to bite leather? Well, that was me today, biting leather. I got kabooshed. My ankle got kabooshed. 41.35 short. Be careful. Hell no. I got hit by a car. I came to work that day and traded. I will, Melina. All right. I'm just going right to the emergency room. Are you crazy? I'm not futzing around. I gotta bring Hendrix home. Right? You gonna go sleepy? You gonna go sleepy with, right? My Hendrix is a good boy. He growled at me tonight after the steak. I think our Tom Wright's gonna go to 24.90, 25. It don't matter to me. No, I'm not going to go now, Mark. I'm going to go in about 22 minutes. I'm fine. I lasted all day long here. What's an extra 22 minutes? Right? Ryan Nichols, how are you, Ryan? You've been quiet. I still think this gold is going to get one more push up here. These 15s. Now, the MACDs are negative on the gold. If you see that here. The MACDs are negative on the gold here. You see this right? Oh, if I could type. You can see the MACD is negative here. Any push-up should make a lower high here. Gold just rallied 2-3 off the low there. I still think the market's going to get kabooshed. Well, I was on a plane last night. I was wondering if it's from the airplane. I was in that chair for 3 hours. All right, let's see here. Very quiet. I got to tell you, for Veterans Day, we had a nice short on the Nasdaq, nice short on the S&Ps, a nice short on gold into that moving average. Got to be from the plane, right? I don't know what the hell I did on the plane though, except just sit in a chair. I'm going after this. I'm going 9 o'clock. I'm getting the hell out of here. Oh wow, COVID-25, Ryan. I'm so sorry. All right, Jeffrey, I'm going. All right, I still think you're gonna get one more push up here on the gold. The 15s look like they want to turn up here. But again, any rally should run into a brick wall with this negative MACD here. It don't matter to me. Unbelievable. S&Ps are up 15% for the year. I think gold's up, what, 55% or something like that for the year. There goes the gold right back up. All right, Matt Allen, maybe DVT. I have no idea what that is. Sitting still. Yeah, sat still. Oh, look at the gold. Just ran 4. Ankleitis. I heard a hoopalitis. There goes the gold right back up. Wow. Thank God you're okay, Jeffrey. There goes the gold. Here we go. You had to have been out before on this here when it pushed up here earlier. Just ran 5 off the low here. Oh yeah. I don't know what the hell it is. But all I know is in 18 minutes the jig is up and gone. I'm going. Again, if anybody new here tonight, I will give away a 5-day free trial. Look at this gold. Oh my God almighty. What a rally. Long NASDAQ. Good job, MJ. 5's got oversold again. Gold, S&P's got down to that 78.5 level. Right here. See this gold long? 78.5. I'm going, Jeff. Don't you worry, good buddy. Ooh. Wow, look at this gold rally. S&P's pushing up. Not bad. Buy the gold. Who bought the gold? No, I didn't kick. Michael McMullen, go Dogs! Texas, Georgia. What a game. This Saturday. Had a Chinese dog. I'm going. Gold 4,200 by tomorrow? I don't know about that. I'm going to get it checked. All right. Anybody new here tonight? If you Bonita Beach, hey, Bonita Beach. Look at this gold. Oh my God. Just rallied 6 on the gold. Again off that 15. I'm telling you, today, when the S&Ps were trading 30 and 3/4, I said I would not be short here with your money. Look at the 15, look at the 30-minute time frame get oversold. First pullback after a reverse to buy. This is the bull flag on Friday when they went from 67.93 to 68.65. Look at the gold still going. Oh my God. Lewis Anderson. This is the pullback on the gold. It was the pullback. Not that it is the pullback. It was the pullback. Let me see the 60-minute. 60-minute time frame positive. Let me see. Did it pull in? No, but you got to get the over. Yes. So basically, what David's saying, this is the first pullback on the 15-minute time frame on gold after the 60 reverse to buy. So let me teach you another strategy here. When the algorithm is above the pivot, okay? When the algorithm is above the pivot, okay? Right here. And it turns positive, and the MACDs are above the pivot on the 15, 30, and 60, the pivot line right here. This is another sell divergence. You take the short right here in the 8 o'clock session, you made new highs. The MACDs cannot confirm the high. Okay, you need a platform to trade S&P? Well, you got many out there. TradeStation, Ninja. You're talking prop, or you're talking real money? You know, all-time high, 69.65. Could happen between now and the end of the year. Could happen. All right. So in about 13 minutes, I'm just going to wrap it up here. I'm going to head over to get this ankle looked at. TradeStation, great customer service. If you want their number, just text me. I deal with Peter Albino, 914-500-7484. Again, 914-500-7484. Okay? Great. Let me cancel my orders here. S&P here. So that was not bad. We had one short in gold, one long in gold, and two shorts on the S&P. Well, one short on the S&P and one short on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ just rallied 20. S&Ps just ran 4. What's the spreads? Spreads on the S&P, it's normal. What do you mean? If you want Peter's number, just text me. I'll give it to you. And also, you can get the TradeStation overlay, which I have here for free if you sign up with me. You don't have to use TradingView. Okay? You think gold's a sell? I don't know about that. 60s reverse to buy. The 30s look like they're going to turn up here. These 30s turn up. Poof. I can see 44, 48. Is S&P a short? Probably if it gets up to the 82.5 to 87.5 range. Gold just rallied 7 just now. Gold. I don't matter to me. Naraja Gupta, I don't know about that. 40 on the gold, up 8. Up 8. Don't matter to me. S&P, I called it short, David. 82.5 to 87.5. All right, not bad. No, I'm not kabushing my dog. He's a good boy. He's sleeping. No, he got mad. He thought I was going to take his steaky. S&P's just dropped here. One. No, I'm not. This dog, I love this dog. Free. It's free. 5-day free trials. Free if anybody's new. You're an Indian trader? Okay. You trade the Nifty 50 or you trade mostly index futures or commodity futures? All right. In 10 minutes, I'm just going to wrap it up here tonight. All right. Silver getting ready to break out. Let's see. Are you talking on a bigger time frame or are you talking, what are you talking? Wow, what a nice pattern on silver on the 30-minute. Oh my God, 50.89. Kaboom, silver, 27 cents. Look at that. First pullback on the 30-minute here. You see that? First pullback on the 30-minute right here. What a beautiful long on silver. Oh my Lord. 15, 60-minute time frame. Revert. So this is the first pullback on silver, okay, after the 60 correlated with the 30 and the 15. You buy the first pullback on the 30. You see that? Beautiful. That's a Picasso. That's a Picasso right there. Thank you, Lord Giorgio Capital. It don't matter to me. And again, you guys, my funded futures has been very good to all of us here. They've been giving away over 600, almost 700. Good night, Artan. I love it. Artan, it's only 6 o'clock in California. S&Ps dropping. Louis Anderson, 333. Trey Michael, you're very welcome, Louis. God bless you. Great job. Great job. Okay. All right. 8 minutes to go. S&Ps. If you sold the 82 and a halves, you should get 80 and a half here, 81 and a half. All right. Again, thank you for my brother Artan for helping me out today and all day yesterday while I was in Fairfield, Connecticut. Really great pattern here. Do you understand this pattern in silver? This is the first pullback on the 30-minute time frame after the 60 reversed to buy. So it correlated the 60 with the 15 and the 30-minute. This is the algorithm, right? Look at the gold rally. Oh my God, gold just rallied 9. But now it's gold's turn with the 30-minute. I said 44, 45 easily on the gold. All right, who thinks that S&P is going to hit 7,000 this year? I think 2026 they're going to get kabooshed, especially in the beginning of the year. I think they're going to try to lock in 15, 17, 18%, and then they're going to kaboosh them come the boom right out. They're keeping this game alive. I think. You think a rally is 7K and then kaboosh them? I think you're right. I think we see a drop in April. How big of a drop? 27,000 on NASDAQ, then down? Thank you, Edra. Edra, hope you had a great night tonight. I think the bubble's going to burst. Good job, Jennifer. 300 on two accounts. 5,800 S&P. I think you're going to 5,650, 5,700. Nasdaq, S&P's making new highs. I'd short them. 84.89 on the S&P, 84.90 Nasdaq, 25,730 to 60. I'd short them. It don't matter to me. I think this gold's going to get one more push up here. Gold. S&P's just rallied 6 in the last 30 minutes here. All right, I want to say a lot of debt coming due. You have $12 trillion worth of debt coming. The gold should have been shorted up there. Right, there's the silver. Let's look at the gold. Gold just got kabooshed. 41 just dropped 2 on the gold. 3 on the gold. Very quiet. Oh, gold just dropped 3. Oh my God, kabooshed. This gold, such an animal. You think silver gets to 100? I don't think so. That's too much. Gold just got kabooshed, $3. It don't matter to me. All right, we got about 250 people tonight. There goes the gold. There goes the S&Ps. Nasdaq pushing up to new highs. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed here. All right. I'm just covering S&Ps here, 83.5 to 84.5 range. All right, let's see here. I still think they're going to get kabooshed here. Gold just dropped 4. Flat. Done. Done on the night. Boom. S&Ps. All right. I just want to say thank you. Okay, I just want to say thank you for joining me here tonight. Nice little scalp. That gold just dropped there with the negative MACD. Gold just dropped 5. I want to say thank you, everybody, for joining me tonight. Again, thank you for all the veterans who have served this great country and those who are serving. Remember, gold just dropped 5 here. S&Ps, I'd lower your stops here if you're short. The high was 85.5. NASDAQ just covered below 30. I'm going to the ER to have my ankle checked. I want to say thank you for joining me here tonight. Again, I'll be hosting this again Sunday night at 6 o'clock, 6 to 7, 7:15, 7:30. Have a great night, everybody. For those of you who are new, if you want the 5-day free trial, please just text me 914-500-7484. Actually, I apologize. Aaron posted a link in there. If you can copy both of us, your full name, email, and cell phone number, you will get this 5-day free trial. With that being said, I want to say thank you to all of you. I hope you did well. Showed you some great patterns. Please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. And most of all, I want to say thank you. God bless you. And most of all, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.